Now in the bottom panel, we really don't have a lot to be done. We're going to click on the edit area. And basically, we're just going to ask ChatGPT to eliminate one word from the bottom panel. So what we can do here is we can highlight this element. And really, we don't need ChatGPT to write anything in here. All we really need ChatGPT to do is just to eliminate those words. That's what we're going to ask ChatGPT to do, which is to eliminate the words. We're then going to click enter. And we're going to allow ChatGPT to work with this specific image to make the correction that we have requested. In most cases, you are going to want to only do one element at a time. This way, you'll be able to give ChatGPT the right level of instruction for a specific change until it's made in the way that you want. So basically now, in the bottom two panels, we now have our image looking the way that we want. If there's any other one thing that we can do in this specific case, we're going to take this one image. We're going to minimize the cursor. We're just going to hover over this area. We're going to turn this into a context-specific icon. We're then going to click enter. I'm going to allow ChatGPT to make the correction. And once we make this correction, we will have completed what we need to do for the bottom panel. We can then move on to the top two panels to get them to look the way that we want. We're now going to stop this part of the process now that you understand the pattern as of the recording of this video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.